in this example, I'm going to find the area of a regular hexagon. On a regular hexagon, what that means is that all 6 sides are the same. It also means that all the interior angles are also the same. What they give us is one side. So that one side, we're going to use to find the other sides. Now they give us the apothem. Well, they don't give it to us, but they got the apothem marked off. And given the apothem, I know that it cuts the side in half, which means this side and this side are the same. So if this guy is 10, this is 5, and that's 5. So the base of the small triangle is going to be 5. Now I'm going to have to use our special right triangles to determine what the height is, or the apothem. This is also the height. And to do that, the first thing I got to do is find the central angle. Now to find the central angle, I'm going to take 360 degrees and divide it by the number of triangles. That's T. T is going to be the number of triangles. To determine that, I'm going to have to duplicate that small triangle all the way around. And I'll count them. Okay, so I counted 12 triangles. I'm going to divide 360 by 12. I get my 30 degrees. That means I'm going to use my 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. Okay, so I know that the base of that small triangle, which is across from the 30, is 5. So across from the 30 is the base, so I put the 5 right there. That means that x is equal to 5, which means I just got to plug in for x. So my apothem, which is the height, is equal to 5 square root of 3. I'm going to go ahead and use a small triangle for this part. At the end, I'll show you another way to do this, but I'm just going to go through this right now, because this will work on every regular polygon. If I get the height and I know the base, I'm going to go ahead and find the area of the small, which is so I'm going to do this right here. I get I'm going to rewrite this. So I just want to get the units in there. It's going to be 25 square root of 3 divided by 2 millimeters squared. Now, I did this in my head. If you use your calculator, you will get a decimal. Just make sure you match it up. Now, once I get the area of that small triangle, I'm going to go ahead and multiply that by the number of triangles, which is 12, and I'll get the area for the hexagon. So once I multiply that out, I get 150 times the square root of 3 millimeters squared.